Okay, it's Friday morning. We had actually quite a quiet week because there was Toyota on the main circuit, so it always gives us a breath when cars aren't practicing. Monir's doing very well at getting the sequential gearbox going and making plans. He's putting some nice cool switches into the dashboard that will be able to control traction control and ABS, so that's for settings. We have this E92 here that we've now, Paul's busy putting a max ECU into it, and we need to change the starter. We got also the turbo back for Simeon's Nissan, so we will fit that today and see if we can get it to the dyno.
If health and safety walks in and sees you drilling, standing on the lift, they're going to ask some questions.
Yeah, I'm going to tell them to bleep off. They're lucky I'm not wearing my safety slippers.
So there's the turbo for the Nissan 350Z. Andre at Full Boost Performance has reconditioned it for us. New bearings, new seals, new whatever. But they didn't think they replaced the bearings. They did the seals and they also balanced the shaft. So we're going to put it in and get the car done.
Is that Simeo's car?
Yes, the Nissan 350Z.
Yeah, you're gonna catch a bolt in your mouth. Or the plate. Lucky you're wearing your safety glasses. Okay, you got him?
Okay. That fall on his face.
On its safety glasses.
It's an eye bracket now.
Okay.
Gazi, I've got a feeling that when we load this video, people are going to ask us why there's a turbo at the back of the car. What is the story with this? Is it just to save space? Is there a performance gain? What's the deal with this?
It's a remote mount turbo. So it's actually quite common. I've seen lots of kits, especially for the 350Z. There's not a lot of space in the engine bay to do anything. That's why you find a lot of them are supercharged, and most of the turbos you'll find at the back of the car.
Okay.
It does require a fair bit of piping. You see the exhaust pipe runs back, the boost pipe runs all the way forwards. But yeah, if you've seen a 350Z engine bay, it's very tight.
So what is that?
This is a cover for the gear lever. So this will fit over there. Or like that. And then that whole bit, if you look there, it doesn't look very nice there. You see, I need to cover it up.
I can't see where you are.
See, it's a big hole.
Ah, okay.
It's gonna look better like that.
So can you actually fit the shift and things in the meantime while you're still waiting on the other parts for the actual box?
Before I'm sending the bell housing away, I just want to test fit again so I can measure up the length of the lead. This obviously needs to go onto the bottom of the gear lever to, shift. And just need to be cut somewhere. So we're gonna measure that out first. We're gonna fit the box, test fit the box. We're gonna measure everything out. Caleb's gonna weld the other bit on for me there, and then we're gonna send everything away to Marco for the machining work.
So Gazi and Caleb are talking about dream garages.
We're working very hard at the moment.
What was your list? Quick.
My list: brand new cruiser bakkie, fully kitted to 4x4, G80 M3 Touring, Oris Q8.
The fact that it's an Audi in there throws me.
It's for the wife; she likes Audi.
Okay,
so, and then E30 M3 DTM, as it came out of the showroom floor, and stock standard yellow E36 M3.
Okay, what was yours, Gazi?
Well, he's already said my, because it was mine as well.
I want an
E30 DTM car as it came off the racetrack. But then next to that, I want its competitor, the Merc 190E, as it came off the racetrack there, preferably without dents and stuff. It's like there, but that would be amazing. I love muscle cars, and I think a 1957 Bel Air, but a resto mod with all the new stuff, all the modern suspension, modern drivetrain, but that 57, oh, that's more, yes, definitely. Obviously I need something modern, so throw a RS6 in there. And then yeah, the other one that I've also liked for ages and stuff, and also quite scarce, is the Vauxhall Lotus Carlton, which is quite scarce, and if you know, you know.
5-car dream garage and go.
Caddy, an E36 and
5 cars.
5 cars dream garage, quick fast.
5 E36 M3s. 5 different colors.
an E30 M3, an E36 M3, an E46 M3, E92 M3 and a G80 M3.
I would, to be honest now, I would say R35 GTR.
Let's go. Nice, nice.
E36 M3 must be in there. E60 M5. And I would say E46 M3. I don't know, that's enough for me.
Marlon, while you got your hands inside of your engine, what is your quick dream 5-car garage? 5 cars.
It's like a Conquest with a 16-valve Golf motor in there, turbocharged.
Okay, that's
Like
one. What else?
5 of that cars. Bro. Ja. Ja. En de 380 is to brand the tire. 4 Conquests, 1 380. Yes, bro.
So this car came from Gearbox. I've never met the people, or I believe it came from Gearbox. It arrived on the back of a truck. They said they needed some help to get the E36 going and maybe make it faster if we can. It's got a misfire. I drove it into the workshop and I'm almost 100% sure the injectors are dirty, so I put it in the injector machine and it was dirty. So we've cleaned it out. I've also seen the Chinatown fuel filter, open it up and a whole lot of filings came out, so we're going to put a Bosch fuel filter on it and hopefully that will resolve the misfire. They've asked that Paul can tune it, so I've now had to tell Paul that he's going to learn how to tune this management in the car, and we'll see if he does that, and then yeah, we'll run the car on the track and see what we need to do. But it looks like a neat car. It's nicely sprayed, and but yeah, the wiring looks a bit like a mess, and you know, some stuff we can improve on, so that's why it's here. Yeah, so when you see stuff like this where the injector wire, the insulation is off, it makes you wonder what does the rest of the engine loom looks like, and it could also be the misfire, but we'll find out in time. Yeah, we got it started up again, still misfired. Took the plugs out, they were completely black. Put a new set of plugs in, started it up, running on 6 cylinders, but clearly running extremely rich. So who knows what is next? Lambda sensors, tuning, wiring, who knows? It seems that is the, in Afrikaans sê ons die uitdagings. So we had good progress in the shop today. We got the E92 to start with Paul fitting the Max ECU into it. Simeon's car is done and needs to go to the dyno on Monday so that he can potentially drive it on Tuesday. And yeah, we've been working through stuff. This BM that came from Gearbox, at least we got it running on 6 cylinders now. And then yeah, tomorrow we're doing the dirt bike thing. Nick's racing in the 65 class and in the 50 class. His sister's racing. So yeah, if you've got small kids, bring them down, get them involved in the motorsport and see where it ends up.